Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your favorite art teacher, Art Reply, and today I will be introducing a special guest, as I mentioned in one of my video guys. So the special guest is, drumroll please.
With each creation we can try success in every hue and cry. Together we are artwork fly.
The special guest, my husband.
Good night, everybody. Good night, everyone. What?
Why you my sons around all of a sudden?
Good night, everyone. Good night. You like that better?
I see you guys love. It's good night, everyone. So, as I mentioned, the camera, I want to do it the light. I guess, depending on how we move.
Don't move.
Yes, guys. So, as I mentioned, my husband will be coming on here on my channel. Remember, it's not going to be a couples channel.
Yeah.
And we might do a little bit of challenge here and there. But note that it's not going to be a couples channel, as my channel, I don't know why light just blinks about. Anyways, guys, if you see the lighting changing a bit, I don't know what is happening, so forget about that. Okay, guys. No, it's not going to be a couples channel, but we will be talking about faith, as my channel banner mentioned. I will be talking about faith, art, housing, etc., etc. So faith is one of them, and with that, I must mention that I had a second. Well, we had a second channel, but we are no longer posting on there as much. So we decided to post them on this channel, Artwork Fly, just so that we can get more attraction, more subscribers, more views, etc., where that is concerned, because it's a bit hard to keep up with two channels, guys. It's very hard to keep up with two channels, so we made the decision to just have one channel, build that channel, and if anything in the future, we can make a second channel. So the persons who have seen the videos from the second channel, you don't have to watch it again, but I have a lot of new subscribers coming in. If you want to watch those videos again, you can go ahead and do so, because we'll be uploading those videos starting the first Sunday in the new year. Alright, so that's next week, Sunday. We'll be uploading those videos each Sunday, or every other Sunday. Alright, guys, we'll be uploading those, so you can go ahead and watch those for the new subscribers. For the old subscribers, you don't have to watch them, but continue to like, share, comment, etc. Just do what you need to do. Okay, guys? Any other addition?
Alright, so I'm looking forward for this venture, because as my wife said, it's kind of difficult having two children, 9-to-5 jobs, and trying to do this for you guys, putting out content day after day after day. It's very hard. This venture here on this channel, where it's not just about family, it's about everything. Art is life, and I love art. My wife loves art, and that's why I love her. And so one of the things that we want to do is to just give you guys as much as we can in the time that is that we are able to do.
Now, if you want to see more of these kind of videos with me and my husband, just stay tuned, guys. Alright?
We'll also want you to comment what you want to see. If you rather seeing us here, or you rather seeing me alone, or you rather seeing her alone, whatever you want to see, just comment and we will act according. Alright? Yeah, man.
Alright, guys, so that would be the end of this video. And for persons who have subscribed to the second channel and is also subscribed to this channel, we'll be uploading a final video there to mention that you guys need to come over, etc. Alright, thank you guys very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.
Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.